Alright guys, dahil nasa Chinatown tayo right now, I'm gonna teach these two lovely gentlemen some Chinese words, alright? First word is 中秋节.
中秋节.
Meaning of this word is Moon Festival.
Okay, tapos yung next wo ay
Chinese ako.
Naiintindihan ko yun ha.
Kung sino makahula ng word na to, lilibre ko siya ng Chowking, you already know. So rapid.
肚子.
Ano ulit?
肚子.
Ano ito naging Chinese, bro?
Dahil dyan, lilibre kita ng Chowking Family Laureate.
Bakit ba natin sinaselebrate yung Moon Festival?
It's to give thanks for the year's harvest, celebrate family reunion, which symbolizes completeness and harmony.
Galing mo naman, ba't ang dami mong alam, pre?
Of course, nandito yung Google. We're here at Chowking pala. Celebrating the Moon Festival here at Chowking. Alright guys, nandito na. Let's go! Kanibre ko na to, bro.
Huh?
I did not expect that.
Now that is for a family.
你们是我的家人，对不对？
Wait, good for 6 people also.
Grabe!
Bring your families and enjoy this family laureate in Chowking.
Tingnan niyo kung gaano ka-crunchy guys ha.
Sabi ang President Jose ng chicken na puso natin.
Ang meeting ng showman.
Sakto na sa Chinatown tayo. And we can't forget the noodles.
Noodles in Chinese is called mian tiao.
Wait, Roscoe.
Nag-sponsor ako.
Napagod kami. Hinanap namin yung source ng pagod namin eh.
Ni hao, ni hao. Buchi! Buchi!
Chow, roll, and win. Lock and roll. How to play?
Ang bilis
So just dine in and then just roll and then you win a prize. Oh, yan lang. Yan lang. Oh. Yan lang. Oh. Sorry. Naka-order tayo ng Chowking Family Laureate above 499.
Uy! Uy!
Isang roll pa, bro.
Ano kaya mo to?
Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Wait lang.
Grabe talaga yung chow break namin.
So come to Chowking right now and try it out, you know.
Kung di pa kayo nakatikim ng mga Chinese food pang Moon Festival celebration nyo, dito na! Alright, tiyan mo gaano kasarap po.
Tapos makakalaro ka pa and you can win
Makakain
prizes.
ka na nga tapos makakalaro ka nito.
Maka-celebrate.
Exactly. 2 in 1. That's a wrap.